Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito. I bring the power of umami to your table. Today, we are making Niku Udon, one of the most deeply satisfying udon dishes in Japanese cuisine. But what makes it taste so rich and comforting? Let's find out. First, let's prepare the beef topping. Cut the thinly sliced beef celery into about 2-inch 5 cm pieces. Place the beef in a frying pan, add the seasonings, and cook over medium heat. Gently separate the slices as they cook, allowing the flavors to absorb evenly. Dr. Bonito's tip: avoid overcooking the beef. Keeping it tender is key to a satisfying texture. Next, we make the dashi. Place the kombu in a pot with water. Heat it slowly until small bubbles begin to form along the edges. Remove the kombu, then bring the liquid to a gentle boil. Add the katsuobushi, turn off the heat, and let it steep for about 3 minutes. Stir to obtain a clear dashi. Do not boil the katsuobushi. Gentle steeping preserves clarity and clean umami. Measure out 3 cups, 720 ml of the dashi and season it with soy sauce and mirin. Warm the udon noodles in the broth until heated through. To finish, transfer the noodles and broth into a warmed bowl. Top with the simmered beef and freshly sliced scallions. The result is a well-balanced bowl, light yet satisfying, with layered umami from the dashi, beef, and seasoning. I hope you'd give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Have a flavorful day.